record it, but that's fine.
No, no. I'll stop the recording. I'll splice it out. But like, I
No, that's
want to
fine.
hear that again because when you texted me, oh, I recruited 4 agents from that 3 and 3. I didn't realize. Like, tell me more about that.
So I just took over this office, right? And I'm here Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And the plan that we did for my office in Alexandria,
Email
where I
came.
got, yeah, where I got I think 3 or 4 agents over there. I sent that out Monday. That day I got a phone call saying, "Hey, can I meet with you?" And it was a capper, and he was with Fairfax Realty, and he's like, "I get 100% here, but 100% of zero is still zero." So I was like, "Let's meet." He came in, we onboarded that day. Then I got two more phone calls from that plan, the three in, three out, or three in, three under, and new agents. They came in, they were like, "How do I do this?" And I was like, "You partner with me," and that's how. And we went through the steps, onboarded them on site. So in 3 days, I've onboarded 4 agents. One of them is a capper.
From an
Just
email.
and I didn't change
From, from,
anything.
from an email campaign,
Yeah,
dude.
I didn't change. I didn't
Like,
change.
like legit,
I didn't change a thing. I didn't fix anything. I didn't update it. I literally copy. I just attached them to the smart plan.
bro. I'm not. You're never gonna get rid of the smile.
Well, it